Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing on my IGTV. So I took a poll in my stories if you guys wanted to see like a full long YouTube video either tomorrow or Sunday with like the unboxing and how I use the item and stuff, or if you guys wanted to see separate just like an IGTV unboxing tonight and then a video about it like on Sunday or something, and everyone voted for IGTV. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm glad I'm actually doing it because it's easy. I just got home from the mall where I picked up my item, and I have my hair in a bun and I'm not wearing any makeup. So yeah, this is way easier. So basically I ordered it online, and I just did the pickup in store. So I just went and I picked it up, and it came in a bag like it would have if I bought it from the store. And then I have my receipt. And then I have my box. So I'm glad I got a box because I know there is like a whole box shortage. So I know a lot of people ordering it from online aren't getting boxes. They're just getting their items like in a shopping bag, which is like, you usually don't get a bag when you order online. You just get, I think. I've never actually ordered online, but I've gotten things shipped to me like that, like my essay is ordered and sent me. So that always just came in a box, but I didn't get any ribbon or anything, but that's okay. Yeah, so it's just a really little something that I've been wanting, but it was pretty hard to get because it was sold out. It's pretty much always sold out, and I actually just saw it when I was on the website like really late, like I think 2 nights ago. So it actually came really, really fast too. So I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. Alright, so here's the tag. You guys probably know what it is now. It comes in a little tissue paper. I'm just gonna slide it out. Ta-da! So it is the Crafty collection Bandeau, the BB size. So it's a lot thinner than a normal Bandeau. And it is orange, like a burnt orange color on the one side, and then it is black and white on the other side. And then it has down here, it has the little pattern that they have like all over all the bags and stuff in that collection. So I love it so much. I wasn't really a big fan of this collection when it came out. I didn't really like a lot of the bags. I only liked the on the go, the black with the white LVs, and then the Neo Noir, which was like this orangey color with the black LVs, and the Empreinte version. So yeah, that's all I like though. I didn't really like any of the canvas bags with everything going on and all like the different lines and colors and stuff. I didn't really like those, but I saw this Bandeau and I was obsessed with it because I love to wear the bandeaus like in my hair. So I'll wear them kind of as like a headband and just like tie them like that in the back, like in a bow. And the BB size is perfect for that because I have a Bandeau that I actually just sold. It's like really, really old. It's like my magenta pink one. It's on my Instagram page if you guys want to look at it. But that one's like the normal length, or not length, thickness. And I always fold it when I put it in my hair because it's definitely way too thick. But I thought this Bandeau, not only would I put it in my hair, but I want to tie it on my Neverfull MM, the one with the monogram print, my first bag ever. I like rarely ever use that bag anymore, and I thought that this would go like really well with it for fall and maybe make me use it a little bit more. So I'm really excited about that. The Bandeau that I have that I sold it on like a payment plan on one of the Facebook groups. So I still have it until that person pays the payment plan. But it doesn't really go with any of my bags, I don't think. I really don't like the colors with any of the bags I have. I think it looks better with like azure. And I don't really use any of my azure bags with bandeaus. So I usually just would want to put a Bandeau like on my Neverfull or something, or maybe my Speedy, but I don't know. This one I specifically got for my hair and to use it on my Neverfull MM. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to do a video about that. I'm going to do like a What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do like a video of how to tie it and stuff. I don't really know how to tie it, to be honest, but I'm gonna hopefully figure it out, and then show you guys how to tie it, and then how I wear it in my hair and stuff too. So that's what I'm gonna do when I put it on YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna use it for a couple days and see how I like it. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. I already think it's so pretty. I love the colors. And I love the size. So yeah, I'm just really excited about it. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. Yeah, so that's about it. I hope you guys liked this video, and definitely look out for the YouTube video. I'm probably gonna make it on maybe like Sunday or Monday or something. So yeah, it should be up then for you guys, but thanks so much for watching. Bye.